Welcome to Brain Freeze! Alam niya, alam mo rin. Hello ka, Brainy! For today's kaalaman, I will teach you on how to remove copyright claims without deleting your entire video. We got copyright claims when a creator uses content without the permission of the owner of that content. The creator runs the risk of violating copyright laws. YouTube handles this in two different ways. The first one is copyright claims and the other is copyright strike. Here, I will show you the trick on removing the copyright claim without deleting your entire video. So you must watch it till the end. By the way, mega love shoutout to Gina Rap TV and DA Lyrics. Thank you for the support. If you want me to mention your channel, just comment down below anything related on this video. Here in my live stream, I use NCS song but accidentally I played a music that has original singer and composer. In short, there's a copyright owner of that specific song. YouTube put a restriction of copyright claim. When I receive a copyright claim, YouTube is basically saying that I as a creator can use the copyright owner's content, but the owner of that copyright content has the right to place adverts on my video and earn income from it. I didn't get punished by YouTube, but I won't generate any revenue from this uploaded video. Here I will show you how remove copyright claim without deleting your entire video. Go to YouTube Studio, click Content, and click the video with copyright claim. Then click the editor. The video editor greetings will pop up and click Get Started. Here the video editor has opened. It looks like a regular video editor but has limited tools. It has trim tool, and when you scroll up, there's other tools in the left side. Here in my live stream, I will locate the part that I played the copyrighted music. The song or the copyrighted song is played in my live stream as background music. Just move the cursor and you can see the minutes or time in the video. Just click the trim and click split and locate the part of the video you want to remove and drag it to the right or left, depending on your needs. By the way guys, you can trim part of the video 2 or 3 or more at the same time. You can trim from the, let's say, start or in the middle and in the end at the same time. After this, you can click the save. If you click save, it will pop up and you can read it or not. If you done, then save it. The video processing will take several minutes or hours or days depending on the length of your video. And this is all for now. And we're done. Thank you for watching.